Welcome to Gossip Big TV. Please don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up for my video. God bless you. My lovely fans, they don't finally back Natasha go police station to go and reply all the suing with the swan. And now they don't carry and go police station. I go read them for una, but before I read them for una, make I fair explain small things give una. Una know say Two-Face family, now they fair come and say they not see their son. They can't sue Natasha. Two-Face family constantly come out again. They say Natasha, they beat their son. Say Natasha, they beat Two-Face, not be small. They constantly sue Natasha, say Natasha, they disgrace Two-Face for public. They constantly sue Natasha, say Natasha, they make Two-Face, they lose job. Not be small sue, you know. All these things why they tell na so Two-Face family, now they sue Natasha. The same Two-Face family where they sue, now them, now still go Two-Face, still go Natasha introduction, the introduction marriage, go sit down, they eat Natasha jollof rice. No wonder Natasha go hide rice for inside room, because you see and say this family, they be double face. Now the internet is on two sides. Some people are supporting Natasha, while some people are supporting Two-Face. Why the other people, they join Annie, they laugh them. Before I go give una anything, before I continue with this story, may we read what they carry, come give us. So they said, PDP state representative member of for Ego constituency is currently at the FCID in Abuja, answering questions relating to her abuse of substance and also assault on her husband, Innocent Idibia, aka Two-Face. Natasha is being questioned after reports were made against her for abusing narcotics and prescribed Ikpemiri. She is also being questioned about the severe times she had been reported to have physically abused singer Innocent Idibia and domestic staff in their Abuja home and other places, including public places both in Nigeria and international countries. Natasha was on several occasions be given different excuses to avoid going to the FCID to answer questions relating to these allegations. Now, yeah. Una don't see wetin dey right. Natasha, as I dey talk to una so, Natasha dey for police station. They never free her. They never free Natasha. Because the thing where they accuse, they never free Natasha. Because the thing where they accuse Natasha for, in many ways. Imagine, one, they say she dey take Ikpemiri, those narcotic, what they call her, she dey take them. She dey take Ikpemiri, she dey beat Two-Face. Una remember when I tell una say, this woman dey gbas Two-Face. Some people say I too talk. I think the truth does still come out. Okay now. They say they gbas this man. The gbas way Two-Face they collect for his house, not be small. The woman they gbas around anyhow. The woman they gbas Two-Face anyhow. Now, she did not do it only privately inside their house. Make it be like, say, okay, now only his house now for the gbas Two-Face. No, he go gbas this man publicly. So therefore, Bodo Ibo, he gbas the man. So now they say they don't carry Natasha go police station. They don't begin to ask Natasha question relating to everything when I read for una now. As I dey talk to una so, they never free Natasha. They never free am. She is still there. Now, the same family where they go chop rice for marriage, the same family sue am, and people, Two-Face, the manager, when they manage the work and everything for her, they also sue Natasha. My people, they also sue Natasha. No be say they just carry sue. You know, say get the kind sue where you go sue person. You go court, you say this person they do like this. But this suing is with evidence, especially the Ikpemiri own. The last place where they stay, when they go hotel where they stay. Now so the thing where they take they give their self injection, they leave everything for ground. Natasha no even fit say make they clean am. Now, other testimonies still come aside against Natasha, which are their house help, their housekeeper, house girl, or wetin dem dey call am kinikon. All those one, if Natasha don high, according to them, the kind gbas wey Natasha dey give them, hey, they say even soldier cannot gbas you like that. The kind gbas wey Natasha dey give them. So right now, people dey talk say, why Two-Face family no withdraw their own suit? Be that they don't say Natasha don born for them, they say Natasha don born pikin for them, they say Natasha, their brother, don't marry Natasha. Why do they go ahead to still sue Natasha? Wonder shall never end. My people, this is what Annie went through for that family hand. Now Natasha don shook head put now. E never reach 2 years. She don dey collect. The many reasons why they advise woman say, any man when he don't divorce, you see where they deceive people for the world. They will say, if you see single mother, or if you see woman where don't leave her husband house, don't go there. Though sometimes those women are better, million times better than men when they leave their wife. You see divorced men, if you not borrow leg wrong when you see them, no say leg they pain you. Because women are people where they get patient for marriage. Woman is ready to keep her marriage, ready to build her marriage, ready to save her marriage with everything. But when the woman can't talk, can't comot for that marriage, before woman can't carry a bag, comot for that marriage, no say that man na oti gbaje. No say that man here don't gbaje finish, bad head. Now that man be. Before woman go come out. And when you see the woman come out, she constantly come out, constantly they drag the man, constantly they talk. You see, no say that man, his character still good, na two of them get problem. But when you see the woman just quietly waka like Annie and May Edochie, hey, no say you don't carry Yul Edochie and Two-Face part 2. Now you carry. Wonder shall never end, my people. Marriage will never reach how many years. They don't they go court, they don't they go police station, they don't they drag themselves. A lot of things don't they come aside. For inside marriage, where Annie bear for how many years? Now Natasha own never reach how many years. They don't they go courts. Mama Natasha, they pray for a pikin, say, Two-Face, you see all these years, your marriage no work. Yeah, this one, it will last. You don't know what the other women they see. Una don't know what Annie see for inside this marriage. Annie bear. She cry, come out, say, this family, they not be in. This family, they not be in. Natasha, mama, call they pray for a pikin, say, make a pikin enter. You go enter, you go bring favor. Una story go different. I want it different. Natasha's story want it different. Sometimes some mothers, now they scatter their children life. If to say mama Two-Face, now woman will be say she know her ground. If for no gree make Two-Face marry another woman, 7 children. How many women don't pass your life? If you tell and say, Oga, go sit down. Now wait till she first talk, oh. She not there now. Now wait till she first talk. But be that the woman a double face. She not fit keep to her word. Because that word when mama Two-Face first talk, now it be the correct thing when this woman for stand her ground. But automatically we see mama Two-Face. Now she can't even dey help Natasha dey arrange marriage bid for neck. Mama Two-Face talk and say, his son need help. His son no need relationship, he no need marriage, he no need anything. His son need help now. He need to cool down his brain, cure himself. Now wait till his son need. Mama Two-Face cry come outside though. He talk am. But only say the woman a double face. If now some mothers, you know that your son need help, you let her go marry. Now Natasha, she herself, her job is at risk. People, they even blame Natasha, say, why will you even marry this kind of man? Why will you marry this kind of man? Yes, a lot of people, they drag Natasha. Say, Natasha, you made mistake. Which kind of desperation will lead you to a man with 3 baby mama, 7 children? What do you want born for her? Now Two-Face name you want born put. The man don't rain pass. You kind of celebrity don't rain pass. He dey rain before, he dey hot. But any man wey say he third leg not stay one place, that third leg now they destroy their future. Because the men they feel say born for year na groove. You never jam witchin woman. You never jam woman where come from water. They know they forgive if you break their heart too. They know they forgive. They can go and tie that man for one place, put him for one corner. That man no go ever see better thing for a life again. Two-Face, the way they behave, it be like person where they swear for. If now only that one way they America, that one born 3 children. 3 children. Thank God say the woman don't marry now. If to say that woman no marry, Two-Face for not even day yet to the talk. Because that woman for deal with Two-Face. 3 children now she bed down born for you. You go 1, you go 2, you go 3. You still they go. Eh? You know say you no want marry her. Because sometimes they put the blame on women. But many people don't understand. Say this men, they are mad na sugar cane. You see those our sweet sugar cane. They are mad sweet pass am. Now, just look at Two-Face condition. Natasha now, na inside police station na dey. A whole representative, a whole person where they work for House of Assembly. Eh? See the kind disgrace. The woman they do her work, they go jeje since then. She they work, they go in peace. Nobody even they know her. Nobody even know her. Nobody they even they talk about her. It is better than this kind of disgraceful popularity. There are some kind of popularity where person they reject. Now it be this Two-Face. This Two-Face popularity now correct a rebuke to the pit of hell. Now it be. Just look at Natasha. Look at Natasha. She has lost. She's going. If care is not taking Natasha, she's going to lost everything. That's why they say not be all men neither they snatch. Not be all men that they carry, especially when the wife goes silent on you. Because the way Natasha take carry Two-Face, no be say Two-Face don't divorce Annie, and Annie no dey again. Natasha can't see and can't carry her. Natasha carried Two-Face from inside Annie hand. As the way Juju Ekwe and Suro Masi Mami Wata carry Yul Edochie. If you look these 2 women, now no peace for them. Juju Ekwe so just dey social media, now you snatch husband. Now you they come out every day, they explain, they talk. The wife, the woman where you snatch husband from, the woman they come out, they show endorsement, they show progress and success. You dey social media, they give explanation. You still they explain. Since when you snatch Yul Edochie, you still they explain. Natasha now from police station to police station, fighting to fighting, disgracing themselves. Different kind of bad luck. Now just they follow these 2 women because they followed the wrong men. These women are quiet. They are silent. He's speaking and fighting for them. He's speaking and fighting for them. So many men dey where women don't curse. Many men dey where women don't curse. May God forbid, may we not go carry man where woman don't curse. Because na so sacrifice now person go they do to the solve problem come off for body. Especially you can't go born for that kind man. Hey, where mo wahala. As you joke with they explain for them. My children are all right. Nothing is wrong with my children. We they see them, she they still they lie for our face. The woman not doing anything, but look at her condition. So right now, Natasha now, they're not free am. They never free Natasha. If they free am, we still can't give her the gist. They never free Natasha. Natasha, they police station, they answer case because of Two-Face. And a lot of people came out to testify against her. You go back, say they go reach there. Now even Mama Two-Face, where be 3-Face. Now so go still testify against this Natasha. Now so that they do Annie now. They go they bite Annie, they go they blow and they go they chop am. The same thing they did to Annie, now they just they do for you. Natasha, if you know what is good for you, carry your bag and leave Two-Face. Leave him alone. Some people say Two-Face, leave Natasha alone. At the end of the day, two of them not get peace for each other. You people have tried. You try to pretend. You try to convince us. But for our own good, it's better on our waka on our way. It's better. Because how many years now, don't they go police station, don't they drag us? Hey. Annie stayed this marriage for years. We not hear police station, we not hear anything. The only thing we hear now, Annie they cry, come outside, say, Two-Face and the family that they treat them bad. Two-Face go they sleep with different baby mama. Your mama go come, your mama they not like her. They go they tell and say, now she made Two-Face not progress. Now she made Two-Face not do anything. Meanwhile, Two-Face was taking care of all the children, taking care of everybody in the family. Since we follow Natasha, now I know they give any of the 10 kobo. You know they give them. If you just walk, Natasha collect for your hand. You know they call. You know they give anybody again. Even with children now, you know if you take care of them. But when Annie was there, this man was doing everything for everybody. The mother was not happy. Some men, if you not marry, no be some men una need to put eye for ground. I know say they say mama na mama. Some mama they be bad-head. If you still say your mama na that category of bad-head mama, love her, but not take her advice. Love her as you can love her, give her everything, but let her close her mouth in your marriage. Let her close your mouth. Let her close her mouth. Just the way Mama Two-Face dey chook mouth for inside Natasha, for inside Annie marriage. Now so that marriage dey scatter. See Natasha who don't come now. They don't go court. They don't carry Natasha go police station. She need to answer for Ikpimiri. You know the allegation wey dey Natasha head not be small. Ikpimiri dey there. Different kind of Ikpimiri wey she take. They even call the name. Dey there. This one not be say then say evidence dey. The ass girl then wey be say Natasha gbas theirself after e don high finish. Now so you go dey give the igbi. All of them they record up. Wahala tie Natasha oh. Hey, wahala tie Natasha. You see wetin dey happen. So God just dey use am say they warn all these small girls wey they come. Oh, God just dey use am they warn all these women wey fit say they won't do side chick. Una do side chick, collect the man money for outside. Do not do now. Una so na won't enter house. You will end up like Natasha and Judy Austin. You will end up like these two people where they explain their life every day. Meanwhile, the women where they destroy their home, they are living their best life. Just see where Natasha end up herself. If she's not careful now, she will lose her job. Because this is a big stain. Somebody like this cannot work in the house of an assembly. Cannot be in a government house. She is a government worker. She cannot be in government house. Saying what? Somebody that is Ikpimiri with proof. Hey, my people, wonder shall never end though. I bet make una leave una comment for the comment section. This is Gossip Big TV. Don't forget to subscribe. In terms of my video, God bless you.